Mapitse helped Khopane escape from prison after doing the interview that Lekhodi forced her to do, and Lekhodi came to their house pretending to be a security company. Kwesi learns that Nkosi's kids will never accept her as they are now calling her a home wrecker. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skeem Sam. So Mapitse is still hysterical, getting nightmares and all that until Tibos decided, you know what, let me get a new security company, CCTV footage and all that to make everyone feel safe because Mapitse is not okay. They call the security company only to find that the security company, Kia Lekhodi. Lekhodi comes in with the security guys and hands a paper to Mapitse, giving her instructions about the interview that she's supposed to do Li Khopan. The police are there, but they can't even say anything. But Mapitse, obviously, she's not comfortable. And then she goes to do the interview, Li Khopane in prison. And Khopane was just, like you can see that she's nervous, she's scared. Khopane even wanted to shake her hand. Ari dumela Mapitse. Now you start feeling unsafe about your kids. And then Mapitse started the interview. She's so good in this journalist thing because now she got Khopane to talk. Khopane was even crying, Claire. He was so emotional about Ngwana Hai Smaki and that they really hurt him when they killed his son, and that he did so much for community health. Only for the lights to go off. Khanti, they're planning an escape. The light goes off. Mapitse is scared. Wiralang, tushang. Then they come out. Now they're saying they need to leave because some prisoner tried to escape. Handike Khopane switched with the guy that was there with Mapitse, leave the equipment for recording the podcast. Now, as they're working out, they get stopped. I wonder if they're going to make it out or Vele Ichai, the Mapitse is going to be like, she's the one who was trying to help Khopane escape. Now Mapitse is going to go to prison for something she doesn't know. Fancy decides to go and give the police information about this follower who has been hating on Mapitse. Now the police want to go and raid the farm where Lekhodi are staying. Mapitse was not happy about this whole thing, saying, Who told you to go there? Why did you do that? Papa Mapitse and I wasn't happy. Fence, okay, now who are the one who's putting my child in danger? And then Mapitse goes to the police station. Apparently, there are some sketches that they want her to identify of the 3 people that live in that farm. Mapitse says, They then called in the sketch guy so she can give descriptions. Then Mapitse decides she wants to tell the truth finally. Khandi, this lady is going to come in and act as if she's selling my perfume or body products to Babeli. Apparently, Babeli knows her and other stuff from her. Mapitse was shocked to see this girl, it means they're following me. This girl is now saying, Mapitse, I'm so sorry, Claire, but what happened to you? Even winks at her. Mapitse is not safe, Claire. They're everywhere, these people. Kama Kwezi keeps on getting unusual calls. They call and hang up. Chiki and SMS saying you're a home wrecker. Aguna madoda yene KZN. Nkosi tries to phone this number only to find that it's his son, Uluzugo, his teenage son. Ukwezi was shocked. Your son is the one that's been doing this to me. And that time Ukwezi was already looking for schools, arranging family therapy so that the kids can come and live with them. Because Nkosi wants to take the kids and live with them. Kanti yay, these kids will never accept her. Hey, ngapha uMlehasa makes it clear ukuthi uNkosi will never be LJ's father. Apitubekele ukuzenza mina wena. This is not Luzugo. Stay away from my son. Ngapha uKwaito is still mad that Tiwos did not fill him in about the whole Mapitse kidnapping and why he took the money. He's even saying that is it because Kingwana Nyatsi now that's why they're not including him because they treat him like he's not part of the family. No, it's not like that, man. Hey, Kwaito kumsadi. The way he gets so emotional about minor things. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.